Hey, it's Jared with State of Tech. Today I am reviewing the Eufy security system. This is the 2-camera security system with local backup. Eufy is a company from Anchor, and they produce fantastic products, and they've been taking over when it comes to the home security smart devices like doorbells, locks, security systems and stuff like that. I've been seeing their stuff pop up with new products and new iterations of products nonstop on Amazon, and so I had to give them a try. Now, a little while ago, I did a review of the Eufy Smart package box that is used as a security device out on your front porch to receive packages, and that was a really neat device and had an integrated camera, and I really liked the experience. And that led me to go online and purchase one of these, which is a 2-camera setup that has 2K resolution and local storage. Now, prior to this setup, I'd been a Nest camera user, and the Nest cameras can get kind of expensive because it's a subscription-based service, so you pay for the cameras, you pay for the subscription forever. And so I hadn't had many of them connected to any service. I would just use them and use them through the app if I wanted to see what was going on, but there was no storage happening. So what I like about the Eufy security system is that I get 2 cameras with this package, and I also get local storage, so there's no need for me to pay for a subscription, which is going to save a ton of money over time. So the cameras I was concerned about because they're battery powered, and I was thinking, how long can the battery last on these cameras? They tout that the batteries can last up to 180 days, and I can contest to that because I have installed these a few months ago and they still have half battery life left. Now, of course, 180 days isn't forever, and so you're going to need to charge those. They're very easy to charge. You just simply pull the little unit down and then plug it in to a USB, and you can charge it up. Alternatively, you can connect something like this if it's outdoors, and so this is something that I've yet to connect, but I will soon. I haven't had to because the battery life is so good. This is a solar panel that you can connect and mount right next to your camera, plug it in, and then it's constantly going to get power. Because the battery life is so good on these cameras, it isn't going to take a whole lot of power to keep them charged. And so the battery life is just absolutely fantastic. I've got one placed in my side yard and one in the garage. So we have a garage that faces away from our house, and so I can't necessarily see if the garage door is open or closed, and so that allows me to see what's going on in the garage and if the door is open or closed. And then I have one in the side yard which allows me to see the back door as well as our side yard where my kids often are playing. And so being able to monitor that and see what's going on is absolutely fantastic. But that isn't all that it does. I mean, the Eufy app is really great. It has a lot of good functionality as far as connecting to your camera, and the setup and all the process there was very easy through the app. Managing your cameras are very easy. Getting access to the saved content that is saved locally, which is a small device. As you can see, there's a small device that you connect to your local area network in your home, and it does require an Ethernet cable, so you would plug that directly into the back of your router. And then it has its own power that you plug in as well, and that is the hub in which all of your Eufy devices will connect to. So if you have Eufy devices that have cameras that are smart devices, whether it be the cameras or even that smart package safe that I reviewed a few weeks back, all those cameras can connect and save their information to the hub, and then you can access that from your smartphone at any time. I can set my cameras to send me push notifications if it notices any movement. I can actually talk through the app and have that come out of the camera, and a person who's near the camera can hear me talking, and I can have a conversation with that person. That's two-way, very amazing, and it doesn't require any subscription service to have anything like that going on. And I would say the overall utility that I've gotten out of these cameras is the fact that they're wireless, and I didn't have to run a bunch of wires or plug them into power or anything like that. That was an issue that I had with cameras that I used in the past, is having to figure out how I was going to run power to them. Being that these cameras have such long battery life, I don't have to worry about that. I could pull the camera down, I could have a charging day, I could pull my cameras down and go charge them, put them back up, or if they're outdoor cameras, I can put on something like this solar panel and not have to worry about it at all. Eufy also has cameras with built-in solar, and so those will just run forever, and they aren't going to need to be taken down or charged at all, and they're completely wireless, which is just mind-blowing that they're able to pull all of that off and have 2K resolution, which is really good. I mean, it's much better than most of the HD cameras, of course. So 2K resolution, I can pinch and zoom in to get a little bit closer to whatever I need to see. And even set zones and all of that stuff up as well. So these cameras are great. They're good for indoor, they're good for outdoor, and Eufy has a lot of different camera options available in different products that all integrate into this ecosystem. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about the touch door lock that has a keypad and also a thumbprint unlock, which has just been a game changer for our home because we've got kids and we don't want to hand out a whole bunch of keys to everybody that they're potentially going to lose. So we program in a code, we program in thumbprints, and then everybody can get in and out of the house extremely easy. It's fantastic. So Eufy products, so far my experiences have been great. I've had the Eufy cameras up for, I'd say, probably about 115, 120 days, and they haven't skipped a beat. They've been absolutely fantastic. The door lock, the same. I'll talk about that in the next video. And then also that smart package safe has been absolutely great to have as well. So really liking Eufy products. I'm not hyping, I know I'm hyping them up, and I feel that and I recognize that. This video is not sponsored. I purchased these with my own money, and I just like these products, and I like the fact that they're not costing me any additional money every single month to use them. So let me know what you think down in the comment section below. If you are looking to pick something like this up, the links are in the description. You can use those to purchase the products from Amazon, and Amazon will have the best deals, so make sure to check out those links. And if you have any questions or comments, down in the comment section below, let's talk about it. But that's going to do it for today. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you back on another video soon. Take care.